Yo, like, where the hell have I been in the last year? Like, this product right here, this collagen peptide, yo, this is the truth. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Shantina here. So today I want to talk to you all about collagen peptides. Like, where have your girl been in the last year? So in the last couple of months, I've been doing some research on collagen peptides. Like, it's been booming in the industry now for the last couple of years, but I have been like really looking for something to boost my hair growth and my thickness, and I didn't have not a clue about this collagen peptide. First off, I want to say that I have not seen a lot of women of color talk about collagen peptides. I did a little bit of research. Well, no, I did a lot of research, and there's probably a handful of YouTubers, or should I say women of color, who is doing a video on collagen peptide. And let me tell you, collagen peptide is like a wonder product. I didn't know it was so important for the makeup of our bodies. And when you think of collagen, you think of like injections, or you think of it more about women who are not women of color, because you see a lot of Caucasian women, as you may talk a lot about collagen. Not sure if you know, but the melanin in our skin is also made up of a lot of collagen. And the darker you are, the more melanin you have, the more collagen you retain. So with that being said, you don't hear a lot of women of color talk about collagen. However, us women of color need to talk about collagen. We need to be adding this in our daily regimen. Did you know that after the age of 25, your body stopped producing about 25% of collagen, causing you to have like wrinkles and textured skin, causing your hair to seem thinner as you get older. All of your joints and your bones and things like that get the aching, and you just try to figure out like why is this happening? Why is this happening? And it's because our body has stopped producing as much collagen as we were when we were younger. So that whole saying, black don't crack, yeah, it cracks just a little bit later in life. However, if you want to preserve that, you just go ahead and start adding collagen peptide to your daily regimen, your daily food regimen. So you ask, what is collagen? Collagen is, well, from my research, I'm not a scientist, biologist, or a doctor or a nutritionist, but just doing research, found out that collagen is like the glue that keeps our bodies together. It's found in our hair, our nails, our skin, our bones, our tendons, our ligaments, our digestive lining. It's found all through our bodies. Alright, so the last 30 days I have been using collagen peptides, and I must say I have seen a dramatic difference in my hair. I let my hair down today so you guys can see how thick my hair is getting. I will insert a picture somewhere here so you can just see the difference between before and after just 30 days of taking this collagen peptides. So the collagen peptides that I chose to use this time, well, not just this time, the collagen peptide that I've been researching and actually chose to use is this sports collagen peptide. It is a hydrogenized type 1 and type 3 collagen. It supports healthy skin and hair. It supports bone and joints. It's unflavored. The ingredient says hydrogenized bovine collagen peptide. I don't know if you know, but bovine pretty much mean like cow, meat, beef. Alright, so if you are vegan, you might not want this. However, I did see that they do have a vegan form of this and also a fish form of this. So the way that I use this product is every night. Every night I drink tea And this is a perfect way for me to make sure that I'm getting this in my daily supplements. So what I do is I add a scoop of the collagen peptide to a boiling hot cup of water. You want to stir it until it becomes dissipated, until it's clear. And then all I do is go ahead and pretty much add my tea bag of choice that I'm going to be drinking on that night. And that's it. I'm telling you, it's odorless, it's tasteless. You don't feel it, you don't see it, you don't smell it. I mean, like, only thing you do is reap the benefits from it. And I'm telling you, y'all, I'm telling you, it works. My nails are growing. I had to, I get my nails done every 2 weeks, and all I do is get like the gel on there, the gel coloring, and I get it done every 2 weeks. I had to take them off because they are growing like crazy. I'm starting to get a lot of new growth with my nails, and I'm like, you know what? It looks like I'm starting to have to go every week instead of every 2 weeks. So I'm trying to work that part out because financially, you know what I'm saying? Your girl trying to keep her coin in her pocket. Another benefit that I have been seeing in the last 30 days, and I'm not lying, I'm telling you, I will insert a picture here, is my skin. My skin is like doing the best, doing the most with this product. I'm loving it. Like, I don't have any breakouts from using this product. I don't have any like scaly skin. My skin is not dry. It's supple, it's moisturized. It's like, I'm telling you, this stuff really works. And for my hair, like, the density is getting better. I got a nice shine on my hair. The length is getting there. I'm gonna do a length check probably halfway through this. No, at the end of this, I'll show you guys a length check so you can see how long my hair is now. And then 30 days from now, I am going to do another length check. So that brings me to this. I am putting myself on a challenge. I'm putting myself on a collagen challenge. You're more than welcome to go along with this challenge with me, but I'm going to do a 45-day challenge. After 45 days, I will come back and show you guys the benefits. I'll show you and see if these benefits worked. I know for a fact that they did work for the first 45 days that I've been taking it. This is my second container, and I just had to come on and talk to you guys all about this collagen. Like, I'm seeing a huge difference in a lot of things. Like, another thing that I'm noticing about this collagen is that my joints is like moving like with so much lubrication. I don't have any issues with my stomach, my gut. I don't know if you guys know, but if you've been following me for a while, I have talked about me having acid reflux disease. And since I've been taking this collagen, I'm telling you, I have not had any issue. I haven't had any issue with the acid reflux. Like, I'm telling y'all, this stuff is really good. It's good for gut health. It's good for joints, hair, skin, nails. Like, yo, you need to go out and get this collagen. I'm gonna leave a description below to the Amazon site to where I went to actually get this particular collagen. I will list a couple of other brands that you can also choose too. So yeah, I just want to come on and let y'all know that this, this collagen peptide thing, do your research. I'm doing this. Come back and I'm gonna let y'all know how it works, how it goes for your girl. It will be my second, well, going into like maybe 2.5 months once this is over, and we'll check back in. If you're gonna do it with me, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about collagen. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Hope you have an awesome day. Please remember to stay focused and keep moving in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that may come your way. All right, talk to you later. Bye. That's about 13 inches. I like to take big chunks, not no little bitty pieces. Let's get some real measurements. "13 inches. And the side is 12 inches. And I'm assuming that it's on both sides since my hair is pretty even in the back. I did just get a cut about 2.5 months ago. But get a trim about 2.5 months ago. So my hair is pretty even all over. So yes, your girl is doing the collagen challenge. Well, I made up my own challenge, but your girl is doing the collagen challenge.